Have a reliable and stylish ride for every day with the Ecotric Fat Tire electric bike. This stylish e-bike features a modern, conventional bicycle frame with a robust 36V 500W electric motor for optimum performance on roads in the city. It has the tested rear hub design, so the motor sends torque directly to the ground for fast acceleration. The electric city bike comes with a reliable 12 amp-hour lithium-ion battery pack that is bigger than most electric bikes out there. It has a large power capacity, so expect this bike to get you to school and work and still have enough power to ride home. This fat tire bike features a twist throttle and an on-demand pedal assist directed by a cadence sensor. The Ecotric Fat Tire bike has a top speed of 19 miles per hour on throttle alone and can clock up to 23 miles per hour with pedal assist. The bike also has the sport-rated 7-speed Shimano Acera 7-speed transmission with a thumb shifter to control and ride it like an ordinary bike. This is a casual electric bike aimed for riding comfort. It has spoke 26-inch rims with 4-inch anti-skid fat tires, providing reliable grip and cushions, so you will easily ride on bumps and potholes. This bike is one of the most high-rated bikes of 2020.
Buy yours now at Electric Bike Paradise and save hundreds of dollars in total savings. We ensure you the lowest price available, free shipping to lower 48 of USA, no sales tax outside Wyoming, and other Electric Bike Paradise exclusive promos and freebies. Limited stock on hand, so get yours now before they're gone. Welcome to Electric Bike Paradise, your #1 source to find the best electric bikes for sale. We're dedicated to giving you the very best electric bikes with a focus on selection, quality, and uniqueness. Shop our selection of name brand electric bikes today and get free shipping plus no sales tax and more.